What is MPG? MPG stands for miles per gallon. It's a measure of fuel efficiency used primarily in the United States and a few other countries. What is a gallon? A gallon is a unit of liquid measurement used mainly in the United States and the UK. It's often used to measure fuel like gasoline. There are two types of gallons. 1. US gallon equals 3.785 liters used in the United States. 2. Imperial gallon equals 4.546 liters used in the United Kingdom and some other countries. When you're filling up your car at a gas station in the US, you're pumping US gallons. Let's back to MPG. It tells you how many miles a car can travel using 1 gallon of fuel. For example, if a car has 30 MPG, it means the car can go 30 miles using 1 gallon of gasoline. Higher MPG equals better fuel efficiency. You travel more with less fuel. Lower MPG equals worse fuel efficiency. You need more fuel to travel the same distance. There are two main types. City MPG, fuel efficiency when driving in stop-and-go city traffic. Highway MPG, efficiency on open roads at steady speeds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more car tips and guides.